It is once again time for the Law on You with Aries Premier Attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Brian Corcoran. Call me a geek or a dork, but I love when the date is the double number, like
I know,
12-12.
Yeah, me too.
Is it good luck?
You know,
I hope so.
now, Chris doesn't remember this. Remember back, like at night it'd be like, it's 11:11. Do you know where your children were? My generation, like our parents didn't even know where we were. They had to be reminded. It's 11:11. Go find your kids, for God's sakes. So that's what always the double numbers remind me of.
I know where I am right now, and it's the Law on You. And let's get to our question from AJ and Nanny Coke. He writes, my family went to the beach last summer in New Jersey when we were riding our bikes, and my son was hit by a guy riding an electric scooter. It was a pretty hard collision, and my son went to the ER for 10 stitches. I think that scooter was going fast. Do we have any recourse?
So you do. These cases actually are incredibly complicated because of the way when somebody signs up for the scooter, whether their automobile insurance applies to that, whether their homeowner's insurance applies to that. It depends on the state you're in. Really, the law is kind of in flux, in this. So the answer is yes, we can help you, but it's going to take a lot of work looking and analyzing all these insurance coverage documents to see if there's actually something that you can go after in order to make a recovery. It's pretty complicated stuff.
Yeah, and I've had scooter cases in the past, and what you need to do is you need to look at your homeowner's policy to see if they exclude scooters, and you have to look at the state law to see if a scooter is a vehicle. They might not consider it a vehicle.
Does it matter it happened last summer?
It doesn't matter that it happened last summer, but listen, you're on the clock. So definitely get to a lawyer quickly on this because it's a complicated situation.
Get your questions answered by visiting the website or giving the hotline a call.